Student wants to compare some disadvantages of docked and dockless bike share programs. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Bike share programs provide bicycles for shared use. In docked bike sharing, riders rent a bike and return it to a designated docking station. Docked programs are orderly and offer a consistency to riders, but require significant space and money to implement. In dockless bike sharing, riders locate a bike and leave it wherever they choose. Dockless programs are relatively simple and expensive to implement and offer flexibility to riders. Dockless programs can be disorganized. So, option choice A says, dockless programs can be disorganized. Docked programs, on the other hand, offer order and consistency. This is incorrect because the student wants to compare some disadvantages of both the docked and the dockless bike share programs. Option choice A mentions a disadvantage of dockless programs, but mentions an advantage of docked programs. So because it doesn't highlight disadvantages of both, A can be eliminated. B. Worth noting is that while dockless programs are relatively easy and inexpensive to implement, they are less flexible than docked programs. This is incorrect because, like A, it mentions the advantage and disadvantage of another program. So it highlights that dockless programs are relatively easy and inexpensive to implement, which is an advantage of dockless programs, but that they are less flexible than docked programs. So because it doesn't highlight the disadvantages of both programs, B can also be eliminated. C. Docked programs are more resource intensive than dockless programs, but they avoid some of the latter's organizational challenges. So this properly shows both the disadvantages of docked and dockless bike share programs, where the docked programs are more resource intensive, but the dockless programs have less organizational challenges. Therefore, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Though dockless programs offer flexibility, docked bike share programs provide bicycles for shared use. This is incorrect because it highlights the advantage of dockless programs and the advantage of docked programs. So it says that dockless programs offer flexibility, which is one advantage of dockless programs, and that docked bike share programs provide bicycles for shared use, which is an advantage of docked bike share programs. So because this doesn't highlight the disadvantages of both programs, D can be eliminated. And thus we're left with C as the correct answer.